You understand?
Yeah, yeah. Very good.
Sekarang saya mau parking motor sini, parking motor you tengok sana. Tulis parking motor. You suka-suka langgar undang-undang mau parking sini. Saya cakap sini parking motor, you faham tak? You foreigner? You foreigner?
Yeah, foreigner.
Faham lah Indonesian law.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, yeah. Very good.
Sekarang saya mau parking motor sini, parking motor you tengok sana. Tulis parking motor. You suka-suka langgar undang-undang mau parking sini. Ayo, saya panggil lah ini kawan. Keluar lah mau parking motor. You duduk Malaysia kena ikut undang-undang Malaysia lah. Dan Malaysia law you follow. Sekarang parking keluar.
Sorry,
No sorry. Tak ada bagi can lah dengan orang asing ni. Kau tengoklah kelas kepala dia ni. Saya cakap keluar lah.
this car is under
Mau parking ni. Cepatlah.
request, please. Just wait for some time because owner is inside. I'm calling him. He will come back and change it because
You understand? This on bike only.
Yeah,
It's
I
park
know,
bike only.
I know. Understood.
You know. Mau parking tengok lah. Dia belah sana kereta suka dia.
Let me call to
Kau
owner.
tengok pelangai bagas ni sekarang. Tengoklah pakai bagas ni. Berapa panas